Now I know we're not supposed to be doing this, cause that was the past, We both got who we got, but tonight, let me tell you one thing.
Let me start by saying this love is no fallacy. I'm just here to fulfill all your fantasy tonight. Whatever it takes to turn you on. Don't worry, you're here with me. Take advantage. Come closer, please. Watch me get managed. How could something so wrong feel so right? Can't worry about it tonight. If these four walls could conversate, mommy, they tell all about the love we made. We both know these four walls cannot talk, so let's make. Mommy, you should know what's done in the dark shall always come to light. Not tonight, it feels right. We both know these four walls cannot talk, so let's forget about the past, cause all that is history. Focus on now, tonight, girl, it's you and me. So please, turn off the phones and take off your clothes. Been thinking, possibly you and me were meant to be, but circumstances with my relationship make it hard for me. I can't think about her with this sexy brown skin in my face. Say, oh, if these four walls could conversate, mommy, they tell all about the love we made. We both know these four walls cannot talk, so let's make. Mommy, you should know what's done in the dark shall always come to light. Not tonight, it feels right. Fellas, this what I need you to do. If you want that woman tonight, and you know she got a man, this what I want you to tell her. Say this right here. This what I want you to say. Say this right here. I ain't worried about your man. Wanna make love tonight. And ladies, if you don't care, I want you to say this.
Boy, I ain't worried about your woman. I wanna make love tonight.
And fellas, you ask her this right here, for real, ask this. Is there any room in your pants? I wanna make love tonight. And ladies, if you willing to go down, let it go down.
So grab me by the hand.
Say that right there.
And we gon' make love tonight.
And y'all gon' get it on for sure. Do that.
If these four walls could conversate, mommy, they tell all about the love we made. We both know these four walls cannot talk.
Definitely be some that smoke in the city, but since they can't, let's just make love.